7/14/21. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Stay updated. Here we are. QQQ. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you the bullish part. It had the reason again just to really sell down. Started the day down big this morning with the big gap down. And those Qs on that low hit it. The low was 279. And it came roaring back. And the high was 287. Now, the Qs were down, and the Qs ended up positive $1.49, and we held that support. And that NASDAQ composite chart, NASDAQ 100 charts look just like it. Right now, net on the triple Qs are not negative for the month of July. The NASDAQ is not negative on the month of July. 6 months straight down. Yes, earnings start on Monday. We got earnings coming out in the morning. I will do the JP Morgan video on what happened with those earnings and how it gapped the market down, and the triple Qs on that NASDAQ, that resilient support level right across here, traders. I'm telling you, traders, let it be known right now that I think a lot of the selling was done in that calendar month of June, and that right now a lot of people have gone into cash. I don't see a lot of super big put buying, but we're not going down. And when people spent 6 months selling every rip, at some point you get to a bottom. Now, it would be nice if the euro would go higher, because that would confirm the move that we're looking for, because the euro is connected to the U.S. exchanges. Now, let's just talk about the fact that that is the move. If you look at the NASDAQ comp, resiliency, it did not break that support level. No, it didn't. It had every reason to. I think the sellers are out. Maybe bigger volatility on an individual stock basis happens when the earnings start cranking out next week for the next 3 weeks. That could create some bigger volatility. But I can tell you right now, in this month of July to July 14th, it is not negative. No. And that is positive. The sellers could be out. We know how to gauge it. The only thing that we're really lagging, traders, is the volume. Okay? Back to the triple Qs, which is part of the NASDAQ composite. Beautiful setup. 50-day moving average is up there. We hope to get a trade and trade it up to the 50-day and then unload it. That's at 294. That's a nice pop from here to there. So we're still buying the dip, because this thing is not breaking support. It's proven. It shows it right here. This is a daily chart on the triple Qs, and we're not breaking down, traders. And that is what we call a bull market consolidation.